Well, guys, this is the video to help you with the Delta math. Some of you might have difficulty with this, and so hopefully this will help. Let's see if I can get my annotation here. Okay, so I have 7 cosine 3x. So 7 cosine 3x. This is our amplitude, and this is our b value. So amplitude is going to be 7. The period is going to be 2 pi over b, so 2 pi over 3. And the scale is going to take the period divided by 4. So it's going to be 2 pi over 3 over 4, which equals to, let me clean this up, 2 pi over 12, which is pi over 6. Okay, now we have everything we needed. Now we're going to ready to enter. So scale is pi over 6. Pi over 6. So I have my y scale is 1, and then my x scale is pi over 6. Done. This is a cosine graph. Cosine is going to start from top. However, let me move my pi over 6 right here. Now that's my scale. And now you'll note I'm going to drop that in. So the next one is going to be 2 pi over 6, 3 pi over 6, and then 4 pi over 6. Okay, so you can see that this is same thing as this number right there. Erase. Okay, now ready to do the dot. This is a cosine. Cosine start on top, which is go all the way to the 7, and then come back down to the middle. Go back down. Looks symmetric. Looks pretty good. Let's submit that. See what we get. And we got it correct. Let's see if we can do another one. See if we can do a sine. Let's do a sine question. Amplitude 7 again. Okay, just coincident. And now our b is different number. Our period is going to be different. Our scale is going to be different too. Okay, so this is a sine version. 7 sine 5. Oops. Okay. All right, amplitude 7 again. Here is 2 pi over 5. Then our scale is going to be 2, that's a 5 by the way, 2 pi over b. Scale is 2 pi over 5 divided by 4. So 2 pi over 5 times 1 over 4. Simplify, pi over 10, and that's my scale. Okay, now let me put my scales in. So pi over 10, pi over 10. And what is my y scale? Done. I'm ready to grab my scale. I want it to be right there. Okay, this is a sine graph. So sine starts from the middle. And we're going to go to the 7. So 7 is my high. That's my max. My min. Okay, so I'm going to go down from the middle. I'm going to go to the top. If it lets me. There we go. I'll come back down to the middle. We're going to go down to the bottom and then go back to the top. Look symmetry and submit that. See if I have it. Yeah, we got it right. Okay, so let's see if we can go level 2. Pause the video so I find it. Oops. No. Oh, well. Let me see. Maybe I can capture it. Graph level 2. All right. So we got a question that with the 2 on the top. All right. All right. This is painful to watch, I guess. All right. So y equal 4 sine 2x plus 2. A, B. So amplitude equals to 4. Period equal 2 pi over b. So that's just going to be pi, 2 pi over b. Just going to be pi. Scale, period, divided by 4. And we have a k now because we're going up by 2. 2 up. Okay, so now I'm going to type in my scale, which is pi over 4. Now we're going to type in 1. And we're about done. Okay, so now keep in mind that we're going up 2 units. So there's 2 units. We're going to go up 2 units, so that's our midline. We call this midline. Right? And then we're going to put the scale pi over 4 right here. Make sure that's in the right place. We're going to up 4 units. We're going to go up 4 units. Where's 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. So it's going to be 6. We're going to go 6 is our height because we're going to go up 4. We're going to go down 4. Where is that at? 2 minus 4, negative 2. Go down 4. Now ready to graph. This is sine. Sine start from the middle. So this is our new middle. I'm going to start right here. Right there. And now we're going to go up, middle. Okay, we're in the new middle. Down, up. And then just kind of make sure it is symmetric. Well, the graphs. There we go. All right. And that should be the correct answer. Check it out. Hey, we got it correct. All right, let's do a new problem. Let's see if we can get cosine. There we go. We got a cosine. Okay. Clean that up. All right, new question. 1 cosine 3 over 4x minus 8. Oh boy, minus 8. Okay, amplitude. Amplitude is going to be 1, period, 2 pi over 3 over 4. That's 2 pi times reciprocal. So a pi over 3. Scale. Take the period, divided by 4. When divided by 4, same thing as multiplied by 1/4. So that becomes 2 pi over 3. We found our scale. We need that information. And then we're going up by, I'm not sure we're going up. Down 8. We're going to go down 8. We're going to go down 8. Oh boy. All right, so I might change my scale a little bit. Anyway, so let's see. Our 2 pi over 3, 2 pi over 3. All right, we got the x scale. For the y scale, it's going to go down 8. That's kind of hard to do. So I'm just going to make my x scale, let's make it 2. But if I go down 8, I'm not going to have any space. I don't think they designed this question too well. I don't have enough space to go down 8. Let's see, do I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? Oh, maybe I do. Okay, I'll just keep it. There's 1. Okay, so kind of looking ahead of time. All right, so now where is my, let's see. Oh, so here's -1, -2, -3. Oh, let me submit this first. All right. Okay, now let you draw the scale for me. I'll put 2 pi over 3 where the first space is. They have it scaled for me. I don't need to redraw that. And then we're going to go down -8. We go down -8. Let's change it to green. Go down -8. All right, that's our new midline. And then now we're ready to plug. All right, we're going to plug in the first point. This is cosine, and we're going to go up 1 unit right there. We're going to go up 1 unit because our amplitude is 1. Our amplitude is 1. So I'm going to go up 1, go down 1. Right? So this is a cosine. Cosine start from the top and then go middle, go down 1, go to middle, and then go up 1. Oh, I don't like that. 2 unit away. Right? So try to equal space. There. Okay. All right. And let's see if that is correct. Yeah, so we're going to, midline is 8. This is y equal -8 because we go down 8. And then our curve is going to follow that midline. Let's see if that's correct. And yes, we got it correct. All right, so hopefully this helps.